much to say. I just wish he stayed in Samoa. That's all.
A member of the alt-right group Proud Boys returns to Portland to face assault charges, and his alleged victim was there to see him in court. KGW's Tim Gordon was there in the courtroom. Tim, he was indicted back in February.
Brenda, he was, and that's when Toese fled to his home in American Samoa. But he vowed to come back and face the charges, and today he did. Now, this is Toese in court at the Justice Center. He's 6'4", but goes by the nickname Tiny. And he is a member of the alt-right Proud Boys and Patriot Prayer. Toese earned a reputation as an enforcer by throwing punches at opponents during rallies in Portland. Some of those altercations caught on camera. But it was an incident in June of 2018 that got him indicted on assault charges. That's when Toese and another Proud Boy named Donovan Flippo allegedly attacked a man in Northeast Portland. Timothy Ledwith says he waved the pair off after they drove by yelling inflammatory things. Then they stopped the truck and beat him up. Toese was finally arrested at PDX Friday night. He posted bail, and today he went before a judge and entered a not guilty plea. As he left, I asked him if he had anything to say to the man he's accused of beating. And this is what we got.
God bless everybody. I'm proud Western chauvinist, and I refuse to apologize for creating a modern world.
Well, Tim Ledwith told us he hopes the prosecution of Toese goes by quickly and added this.
I do think the Proud Boys are a hate group, by the way. I agree with the Southern Poverty Law Center.
Well, imagine my shock.
Now, by the way, Toese's co-defendant reached a deal agreeing to plead guilty to 4th-degree assault. He got 8 days in jail for it. So we will see what Tiny Toese's legal strategy will be now that he's back.
Proud Boy member 23-year-old Toese, also known as Tiny, went before a judge in Multnomah County Monday morning, just days after the U.S. Marshals put him in cuffs at the Portland International Airport for an outstanding warrant. He was booked into Multnomah County Jail, and he now faces charges of 3rd-degree assault and 4th-degree assault. This all came after he'd already been indicted on felony assault charges earlier this year. We talked to him following his first appearance.
You still Proud Boy as well?
Yes, sir. I'm a proud Western chauvinist, and I refuse to apologize for creating a modern world.
He's accused of assaulting a man named Tim Ledwith in June of 2018. Tim was in the courtroom, too.
I was surprised by this. I thought he would probably stay there from all his other stuff and what with me. And
he started crying like a little baby.
Yeah, that's all I got to say. I do think the Proud Boys are a hate group, by the way.
Tiny gained notoriety with the Proud Boys after a number of scrimmages with the police during protests in downtown Portland involving right-wing groups and Pantifa. Tiny will be back in court in a week. In downtown Portland, Elise Haas, KOIN 6 News.
Well, protesters have filed a federal civil rights lawsuit against the city of Portland and Portland police after they say officers assaulted them.
Elise Haas joins us with more on the lawsuit. Elise?
Yes, Ken and Jenny. So there are 3 protesters who say that Portland police assaulted them during a protest last year. And so now they're seeking money for damages. In August of 2018, we reported how there were large crowds of people in downtown Portland from opposing political groups, including Patriot Prayer and Pantifa. And one person in the lawsuit said a police flashbang grenade struck the back of his head, causing him a traumatic brain injury. Another says that he was shot with rubber bullets, causing him to miss work for a week. And the third says an officer tackled her to the ground and into the street. Now, we've reached out to the city and Portland police about these claims, but we haven't heard back yet this morning, though police records obtained by the Portland Mercury in June detail officers' justification for firing less lethal force, saying they saw people attempting to break windows of patrol cars, even people throwing fireworks at officers. So Chief Outlaw ordered the halt of the use of flashbangs. After that protest, she also ordered the review of their use of force as well. So we'll continue to follow this lawsuit as it moves through federal court. Reporting live, Elise Haas, KOIN 6 News.
Thank you, Elise.
Why are you wearing masks? You realize no one gives a fuck about you. You realize you think you're more important than you really are?
And yet here you're talking to us. Have fun.
We call them
Talk
Nazis
about their
because
real
they
issues.
organized with people who marched in Charlottesville. We're not against speech, we're against violence.
Bullshit! The alt-right has been murdering people in the United States over the last year. This is an objective fact. What we are protesting is their political goals, not their right to speak.
So why are they all alt-right? Why are you saying they're all part of Nazis?
This rally is an alt-right person.
Who's the alt-right person?
Kyle Chapman.
Kyle Chapman that he was at the Charlottesville rally.
Yeah.
And was he a speaker at the rally, or did he just attend?
No, he just beat a bunch of people with sticks.
And did Antifa beat a bunch of people?
Not say anything else.
Okay.
So you're supposed to actually no. You should ask for consent before taking photographs of people.
Aren't you guys anarchists?
It is so easy to fool them.
Might be. Yeah, consent is not a part of anarchism. You think rape is okay in anarchism? Are you that fucking stupid? Get the fuck out of here. Leave. Now. Or be dealt with. Seriously, please.
Or be dealt with 900 cops around.
Yes, he does. Yes, he does.